Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Jenna Montiel, your Las Vegas and Henderson real estate agent with Simply Vegas. And today we are talking about one of the most exciting new communities to hit the Las Vegas market right now. Today I am covering the Loughton, something like that. I'm going to say the Loughton by Toll Brothers. This is a brand new gated luxury condo community located right in the heart of Summerlin on the west side of Las Vegas. If you've been looking for low maintenance, upscale living with that lock and leave, type of lifestyle, stick around because this one is worth your full attention. So, what exactly is the Loughton? This is a gated condominium community built by Toll Brothers, one of the most well-known luxury home builders in the country. And this community is a little different from what you typically see in Las Vegas. These are detached, two-level condominiums. They're calling them the jewel box style homes. And honestly, that description is just spot on. You get the privacy and feel of a standalone home with the ease and convenience of condo living. We're talking no yard maintenance, no HOA headaches. There's HOA, but you don't have to fix stuff like a regular home. None of those headaches for the exterior. You just get to enjoy your home and the community. Now, let's talk about the floor plans because Toll Brothers gave buyers some really thoughtful options here. There are 3 home designs to choose from. First, the Fitzroy. This one starts at around $449,000. Well, $5 short of $450. Let's just keep it real. It comes in at just over 1,000 square feet. It's a 1-bed, 1-bath layout, perfect for a single professional, part-time Vegas resident, someone that just really needs a stylish, manageable space. And right now, there are actually quick move-in options available. And those are starting around $420,000. So if you want to move on this, you got to move fast. Second, the Liten. These are starting at around, I'm just going to say $510,000. All these 509, 995s, whatever. These go up to about 1,155 square feet with 1 to 2 bedrooms, 1 to 2 bathrooms, and select plans include a loft, which is fantastic for a home office or flex space. Quick move-ins are available here too, ranging from $545,000 to $575,000. Third, that'd be 6. Third, the Rafferty. This is the largest plan, coming in at 1,370 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and a half bath. It's coming soon, so if this is about your size, now is the time to get in on the list. And these are going to be starting around $544,000. All homes come with an attached or detached 1 to 2 car garage, which is huge. This is a huge deal for condo living in Las Vegas. And interior features like open layouts, plenty of natural light, luxurious primary suites, and a spa-inspired bathroom. These finishes are just absolutely elevated and truly thought out. Now, let's talk about what makes this community truly special. The amenities. The Loughton has a private community pool, outdoor barbecue areas, a fire pit, putting green, and beautiful open gathering spaces where you can actually connect with your neighbors if you want to. And here's what really sets this location apart: the walkability. You guys, this is just steps away from downtown Summerlin, one of the best outdoor shopping and dining destinations in all of Las Vegas. We're talking great restaurants, retail, entertainment, all walkable from your front door. You're also close to the TPC Las Vegas golf course. Miles of hiking and biking trails, parks, and open space. And if you want the full-time Vegas experience, the Strip, you guys are only 20 minutes away. This is generally one of the best positioned communities in the entire valley right now. So, who is right for these type of condos? I would say first-time buyers who want new construction without, being overwhelmed with a new large home. This could be good for downsizers who are already, ready for that simple type of life without sacrificing any style or location. Remote workers who want a beautiful functional space in a walkable neighborhood, perfect. Part-time Las Vegas residents or anyone looking for that true lock and leave type of lifestyle, this would be great. And investors, because Summerlin has consistently been one of the strongest submarkets in Las Vegas for both appreciation and rental demand. Here's something you need to know right now: the incentives. Toll Brothers is currently running their national sales event with savings up to $30,000 on select homes. That promotion is extended through April 19th, so if you're watching this close to that date, do not wait. Reach out to me today and let's get you in there before those savings are gone. There are also 4 quick move-in homes available right now with move-in dates as early as June 2026. Quick move-ins are great because the hard decisions are already made, designer appointments are already done, and you can just usually close faster. Just saying. All right, if you are interested in the Loughton or any new construction community in Las Vegas or Henderson, I want to help you navigate this right away. So hit me up. Let's get your expert guidance. I'm here that's going to be with you during the negotiations and someone who really knows these builders and these contracts inside and out. So if you guys have any questions, just drop your questions in the comments below or reach out to me directly. I put all my information is out there. You guys know where to find it. But to make it easy, 702-480-7730. And if you already haven't hit that subscribe button, it is now that time. So you guys will never miss any new community spotlights, any real estate updates, or any buyer tips. I drop new content every week for people just like you. I am Jenna Montiel. And until next time, see you later.